The history of serving forgotten people is highlighted by individuals who inspire their colleagues to similar career aspirations. INMED is pleased to continue this effective tradition by announcing annual winners of the 2010 International Medicine Awards. The INMED International Medicine Award is offered annually to an individual who has made a significant contribution to health in developing nations. Candidates for this award have demonstrated uncommon dedication and endurance in pursuit of this cause. The 2010 International Medicine Award recipient is Joe LeMaster. Dr. LeMaster was a University of Kansas School of Medicine graduate who went on to later receive a master's in public health in developing countries from the London School of Tropical Medicine. Dr. LeMaster and his wife Judy lived in Nepal from 1990 to 2000, serving at Okalhunga Hospital, the only medical care facility for 300,000 people, where they promoted maternal child health and conducted leprosy research. Presently, Dr. LeMaster is at the University of Missouri in Columbia, Missouri, teaching family medicine and researching community participation for improving the health of children. Dr. LeMaster is a truly inspiring and devoted man. The INMED HIV Leadership Award is presented annually to a person who has made a significant contribution toward the control of HIV in developing nations. Candidates for this award have demonstrated innovation and personal sacrifice throughout their efforts towards this end. The 2010 HIV Leadership Award recipient is Dr. Thor Swanson, who served at Kajabi Hospital in Kenya during 2006 and 2007. And has also provided volunteer HIV care in Nepal, Tanzania, and Honduras. Currently, Thor provides HIV medical care at Siouxland Community Health Center in Sioux City, Iowa. He also instructs University of Iowa students and residents in the field low-resource HIV care. Dr. Thor inspires us through his contribution of knowledge and expertise in controlling HIV. The INMED International Medicine Preceptor Award is given to an individual who has made an important impact in training the next generation of international medical volunteers. Through their instruction and their role modeling, candidates for this award have demonstrated that indeed every life matters. The 2010 International Medicine Preceptor Award recipient is Nancy Crigger, a family nurse practitioner and associate professor of nursing at William Jewell College in Liberty, Missouri. For 2 decades, she has led and instructed American nursing students in providing care in Central America. Nancy has developed particularly keen insights into training individuals for international service with regard to culture, ethics, and best practice tools. Nancy has made an enormous impact on the international healthcare volunteers of tomorrow. Many healthcare professionals within their own nations are sacrificing personal comfort in order to care for their neglected neighbors. The INMED National Service Award is presented to a citizen who is a role model in providing health care for his or her own people. The 2010 National Healthcare Service Award recipient is Dr. Rick Donlon. Rick is an internal medicine and pediatrics physician. In 1995, he and 3 classmates opened Christ Community Health Services, a primary care health center in Memphis's most underserved neighborhood. Since then, CCHS has grown to 5 locations, providing over 95,000 patient visits and delivering 800 babies each year. Rick is a role model who uses his tremendous experience both to provide health care for the forgotten and to motivate others in this pursuit. the 2010 Commonellis Award for Compassionate Service to Humanity. This award was established by the Institute for International Medicine Board of Directors and is named after the founder and president of INMED, Dr. Nicholas Commonellis. This award is given annually to that person or persons who demonstrate care and concern for the needy of the world, who give selflessly of their time and resources, and who inspire others to take similar action in the care of those who are most neglected. The 2010 Commonellis Award for Compassionate Service to Humanity recipients are Dr. George Faile Jr. and Elizabeth Faile RN, who have served for over 20 years at the Baptist Medical Center in northern Ghana on the edge of the Sahara Desert. Dr. Faile spent most of his childhood in Ghana and began his medical career providing anesthesia in Yemen. After he finished his family medicine residency in 1987, he and Elizabeth moved with their 3 boys to Baptist Medical Center. Dr. Faile became a do-it-all doctor, learning from visiting specialists and putting those skills to work once they left. Dr. Faile has mentored dozens of INMED students and residents since 2004, sharing both his vision and skills to enable the do-it-all doctors of the future.